Well, hey friends, it's Randy Dawn, a marathon coach, and happy Wednesday to you. I just wanted to let you know we just got back from a Prevost Proud rally in Ocala, Florida. Lasted about 5 days and was full of fun events. It was held at an equestrian center in Ocala, and it's called the horse capital of the world. So it's a great place to go. If you ever find yourself in the area, you can camp there. And that's kind of a cool thing. It's not too expensive, and it's a nice clean park to stay in with plenty to do around that equestrian center, which you'll see some of that. So we took in a few horse shows there, a few other events. Another thing that we did is we went to Silver Springs, which is it's like it has 4 natural artesian springs, and you get in a glass bottom boat, and it's just this natural beauty of what goes on under the water. And they give you some really interesting information on that. It's been a landmark there at Silver Springs since the 1870s, and I think it's about 4,000. It's a 4,000 acre park, so plenty to do there. It's a state park, not a high admission to get in. And our marathon event last week was at a really cool location on site, and we had the Bellamy brothers entertain us along with a great meal. So enjoy this video and keep watching. Randy Dawn, and a marathon coach.